How do you overcome a fear of public speaking? Public speaking is one of the most common fears in the entire world. We are wired for social connection, and this is why rejection and evaluation from other people is so scary to us. What doesn't work is trying to remove anxiety completely from your life. That's impossible. We need to experience some amount of fear to help us prepare, be present, and ready for that public speaking engagement. It's about learning how to get good at being uncomfortable in front of other people. You can start by writing down what you're afraid of. Maybe you're afraid you're gonna do a bad job. Then, what might happen if that's true? Now that you know your core fear, you can start practicing how to experience it. If you're afraid of failure, try practicing what you have to say in a low-stakes social situation. If you're afraid of embarrassing yourself, try saying something that's a little embarrassing around other people that you trust. If you're afraid of sweating and looking anxious in front of other people, do some jumping jacks and then jump into a social situation and see what happens. These exercises are one way you can build that mental muscle to overcome this anxiety.